Hello, welcome to Leiden. Today I'll be your instructor. My name is Scott Monjo, and I welcome you to the class on AI and Big Data.
I'll be teaching the third session in the Big Data and AI course. We'll be focusing on organizing and managing big data. I've been working for over 30 years in the IT industry focused on data management, for 10 years in Silicon Valley, and then the last 12 years in the Netherlands. During that time, I've had my own consulting firm, SARK7. I've worked for Deloitte in Amsterdam, and the last 5 years have worked for SAS Institute, which is a company focused on machine learning and statistical analysis software. During this time, I've also been lecturing and been an active researcher on the topic of data science and analytics, and am in the process of defending my PhD dissertation at Nyenrode on the topic of cybersecurity data science. I welcome you to the course and look forward to giving the webinar on May 14th. But today, we'll be looking at some preliminary topics on organizing and managing big data through the web facility, where I've listed a number of articles and provided you some content to provide an introduction to this session.